I'm gonna make breakfast today, guys. Very simple, but healthy. So here my toast bread. And here's my guacamole. Chunky guacamole. Guacamole, guys, is avocado. Kailangan namin ubusin to kasi hindi na pwede ito mai-ref again. Once it's open, it's better to finish it. Kasi nag-brown po siya. And it's not look nice. So this is a lot. Okay, so here our egg, boiled egg. Our favorite boiled egg. Sobrang liit ng cut. Kaya napadami talaga. Pero 2 egg lang po ito. Yan guys, sobrang sarap.